Hi guys, it's Incy Wincy Surprise Toys. Today we have so many colorful packs here and big packs. Wow, so many colorful candies here. We have green, purple, pink, so many. And whoa, nice big packs here with surprise toys and chocolates. And here we have some more. Whoa, let's go and play, learn and fun. Let's go. Let's open. First, which one? Let's open this one. Hey, we have chocolate and surprise toy here. And let's open it. Chocolate too with surprise toy. Hey, we have green color and blue color. And with this, we have some stickers. Whoa, hey, stickers here, green and blue. See, which one? This one. Hey, let's play this toy. And let's go on. Toy. Hey, now we have this one, blue color eyes. And hey, we have green. Nice toy. Ooh, yeah. Hey, come and play and eat all these chocolates. Come. Hey, we have this chocolate. Let's open it. And hey, I also want this chocolate. Please open. Come. Nice blue and green. Here we have. And yummy chocolate here. 2 crispy balls, brown color and white color cream. Yum, yum, yum. And we have some more toys here. What is this? Wow, we have this. Wow. White color. Car here. This is nice. Bottle color. Hey, white color. It's in here. Whoa, beautiful. And let's open this cone here. Hey, cone. Brown and strawberry cream. Hey. Hey, what we have inside? Let's see. Hey, we have one more cone toy. This is cute. Hey, and we have yellow and brown. Hey, oh, wow, so many surprises. Let's go and play, learn and fun. Come, come, come. And we have one more. Wow. What is this? This is, I think, a pineapple. Yellow and green. Shopkin toy. Hey, hey, hey. So many toys we have with chocolate. Let's go and open some more. Whoa, we have some more toys here. And cakes, big packs. And here we have some more. Let's go and open. Which one? Let's open this one. Hey, we have a red color ball here with candies. And let's see, we have inside this pack. Inside this ball, candy ball. Wow, we have this red color. Wow, surprise toy with candy pack. Whoa. Let's go and open. Whoa, this is nice. Hey, here we have. Wow, red color. Smiley rotating figurine. Hey, nicely. It's nice toy. And the candies. Whoa, so many candies here. Wow, look at this. We have yellow here, pink, and blue, and green, and purple. Hey, and red here. Wow. Whoa. Nice yellow, pink, blue, green, purple, and red. So many candies. And hey, we have some more candies here. Whoa, we have peanuts inside. These are M&M's. Whoa. Here yellow color, here red color. And here we have. Wow. So many colorful candies again. Whoa. Nice. colorful candies, and here we have peanuts inside. Oh, let's eat it. We have nice candy balls here. Look at this. We have this blue here, and yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so many. And red. Hey, brown. Hey, nice. Hey, red, come here. And green. Hey, green. Hey, come here, green. We have like a rainbow here. We try. One can try. Nice. And let's go and open this pack. Well, we have 3 toys inside, and beers and a ball here. Wow, let's open it. Hey, we have nice green color jelly here. More red and orange. Here's our prize toy. Here we have. Hey, this is our surprise toy. Let's open it. Hey, what is this? Let's see. We have 2 green here. We have green color, and this is peach. What is this? Let's see. I think this is like this. And play. Hey, slowly and carefully. Whoa. Nice toy. Wow. And some jellies here. Green. Hey, this is nice boy here. Green color jelly pie. And these are some beer jellies. Nice. Orange, red, and green again. Let's open this big pack. And we have some candies inside, colorful candies. Let's go and open. Oh. Wow. Hey. Candies. Wow, so many candies here. We have green color. This is guava taste here. And this is red color. Apple. Green. Red. Yellow is mango here. Mango. And this is watermelon. Dark pink. And this is blue. This is nice. One more flavor. Wow. And let's open 1 or 2 flavors. This is mango flavor. Whoa. Here we have clean and clear candy. Let's eat it. Mango flavor. Like this, we have green, yellow, red, and this is white. Inside we have white color candy. And let's open this one. Nice blue, white, and orange. And we have, whoa, chocolate again. Hey, we have Scuba Diver. Whoa, Devoir. Wait, we have blue color. This is fishy here. We can stand like this. And we can play with top. We can play like top. Ooh, hey. Round and round and round. Nice toy. Hey, I want these candies. Hey, please give me. Yes, you can take it. Here you have. Thank you. Whoa. And that's it. Hey, we have one more surprise toy inside. Hey, this is green bag here. Hey, shop cam bag here. Let's open it. Hey, one more surprise toy. And here we have. Whoa, cute toy, we have Shopkin toy. White, red, and yellow. I think this is a boxy. Yes. Oh, nice. Come and join us. So many toys, chocolate, candies, jellies. And let's open some cakes here. Whoa, let's go. Well, we have small and big. Let's open first. Big one. Whoa, we have this 100% veg. Wow, fruit one. Let's open it. Here we have. Let's go and take out. Wow, this is very cute. Whoa, hey, and soft. Cake here. Delicious. Yummy fruit cake. And one more. This is tiffin fun cake. And here we have. Wow. Look at this. We have cute and wow, fruits inside. Let's take it. This is more delicious. Yummy. Here we have. And we have Frutella. Vegetarian recipe here. What is this? This is my strawberry in cubes. Let's open it. Here we have. Whoa. Hey, so many cubes. Strawberry here. And let's, wow, pink color inside. Nice. You can try. And we have some more candies inside. Here we have nice candies. Here we have so many candies, cakes, chocolate, and wow, colorful candies, peanut candies. So many. Wow. And hey, Smiley, if you want more surprises, more surprise toys, chocolate, candies, cakes, and jellies, wow, toys here and colorful toys, then please subscribe our channel, Incy Wincy Surprise Toys. Thank you. See you next video. Bye. Hey, thank you, Smiley. And see ya. Enjoy, have fun. Come soon to Incy Wincy Surprise Toys. See you next video. Bye. See ya. And please do like to my channel. Thank you. Have fun. Take care.